Stocks in the deep, we have JELD, ICHR, STIM, NSP, and PRLD. JELD down 35.24%, intraday low $2.65. Let's see what we have. Okay, not a lot of shares have crossed the tape so far. Okay, while we're here, we could still try and see whether there's any news down here. Um, let's see. Swings to fiscal Q3 loss, revenue falls, trims 2025 guidance. Shares down on outlook. Let's see. Shares down on outlook. Job cuts. European unit under strategic review. JELD win. Okay, so lower prices are expected to keep playing out up till the 12th of November. Then after that, it might bounce. Okay, this is its 4-hour chart. Upper projections are saying $4.4. No guarantee it's going to retest that anytime soon. Previous projections, it had as high as a 5.22, 5.13, 4.97, yeah, 5.63, 5.47, 5.20, and indeed even high prices. But things have changed now. The stock was actually, trending down before now as of the 28th Tuesday, exactly 1 week ago. The stock began its to decline after attempting to bounce. Got a rejection on Monday. Yeah, got a rejection on Monday the 27th. Then since that time, it's just been on a downhill. Okay, let's see what we have. Okay, before we do that, what's the probability of it retesting this high of $4.9? Well, it's not too bad. This is where the moving averages are. That moving average, the first one is what we're considering. It's yeah. The closer it is, the slightly higher it is. The slightly higher the probability of it retesting. But I mean, if it's less than that, target, which is in this case $4.9, then if as far as it's less than it, then it is definitely going to be way more than less than 50%. If it's very much closer, much closer, we'll be looking at the prospect of maybe 7% or thereabouts. But as far as it's less, it hardly ever gets to 50%. As far as it's less, it will, as far as that moving average is less, it will most certainly be less than 50%. And but if it's higher than the target, if it's higher than 4.9, then you're looking at probabilities way more than 50%. So yeah, as it is now, that's what we're looking at right now. Okay, ICHR down 27.92%, intraday low $16.02. Let's see what we have. Okay, 85,000 shares have crossed the tape, not a lot. Let's see whether we can find any news while we're here. Stifel downgrades ICHR holdings to hold, lowers target to $21. ICHR. Let's see what we have here. Okay, the same ratings. Okay, I think is it its earnings? That's a problem. Okay, the results for the third quarter ended 30th of September. Summary: the company reported adjusted earnings of 7 cents per share for the quarter ended September 30th, lower than the same quarter last year when the company reported earnings per share of 12 cents. The mean expectation of seven analysts for the quarter was for earnings of 12 cents per share. Okay, revenue rose 13.3% to $239.3 million from a year ago. Analysts expected $235.14 million. Okay, so that's what's going on. Yeah, lower prices are okay. A bounce is expected to be in place by the close of today's trading session, and then after that, it may begin to consolidate from Thursday pre-market session consolidate. But well, all in all, from now on, it's a consolidation. Actually, that's what that is being extrapolated. But we also have to bear in note that it says within the midst of all of this consolidation that is being extrapolated, it may begin. It may there might be a down leg from the 12th of November. There's no guarantee that any of these will pan out like this. Okay. Projections are currently saying $21.29. Okay, so the stock plunged yesterday. Yeah, but outside that, it's been in an uptrend. I would say since it's early September. Let's have a look at its underlying trend, or underlying trend. Its daily chart. Yesterday, okay, it was up 1% yesterday. So the line trend is bearish. Yeah, today the algos got this right. Yeah, I got this right. You can see it's separating that today it's going to be down, and that's what's happening right now. The chance of it erasing this 28, this 19%, okay, it seems to be changing. The chance of it erasing it by the close of today is not very high. Okay, and then it's saying it's going to remain. It may remain weak up to Thursday. Then by Friday the 7th, the uptrend may resume, and then contract after the 20 contract by the 26th of November. Here, the projections on this daily chart are saying 23.18, 25.07, 26.23. Okay, let's see what we have for STIM. STIM down 20.58%, intraday low $1.68. Okay, not a lot of shares have crossed the tape as well. Okay, Neuro Neuronetics has commenced the search for a successor. Okay, of maybe their CEO or something like that. Let's see. STIM. Okay, so this is the 4-hour chart. So let's see what the news is saying. Okay, there, this, there, in this, they've commenced the search for their a successor to their CEO. Okay, the company reported its earnings outcomes. It seems they are not. It's not impressive. 3Q Q3 loss of $9.05 million. Q3 level revenue. Okay. Q3 loss of 13 cents. Okay. So it has picked up the bounce, and the extrapolation is saying that from now it might just be a distributive contraction, especially after the close of tomorrow's trading session. It may be a distributive contraction that may remain in place at least up till the 13th of November. Projections are saying 2.42 upper projection. As of now, as of yesterday, the close of yesterday had 2.57, 2.81, 3.48, 3.81. Yeah, all the moving averages are out of trend. Yeah, positions open all the way back to 800 hours ago are severely bearish. Yeah, NSP. NSP down 24.48%. Okay, not a lot of shares have crossed the tape either as well. NSP, let's see what we have. Okay, consolidation. It has picked up a bounce, and the algos are saying it's going to consolidate sideways movements up till the 13th of November. So far, that's the much we have in terms of extrapolations. Projections are currently saying $41.07 as of now. Yesterday had as high as 46.93, 46.22, 45.09, 43.89, 42.14. Yeah, all the moving averages are not severely bearish. Yeah, positions opened all the way back to 800 hours ago. Not in profit at the moment. Okay, it seems the company disclosed its earnings outcomes as well. Let's see. Announces yesterday multi-year contract extension with United Healthcare, provides cost reductions and reduces pulling level for large claims to 500,000 beginning from the 1st of January. And the line trend on NSP is going to be bearish. Yeah, bearish as well. Yeah. PRLD down 27.89%. Intraday high 7.11 in this session. Okay. Yeah. Well, relative to what we've seen already, this is a very high volume. This is a very high volume so far. Yeah. Optionable as well. Okay, let's see what we can get some news here. Prelude Therapeutics announces exclusive option agreement with Insight to advance mutant selective JAK2V617F JH2 inhibitors. We'll find out more on a trading view. Let's see. Yeah, it's active, yes. It's active, yes. And you can see the spread between the buy and the selling. Yeah, quite this not too bad. This is just even. Not bad at all. It's just the difference of only 1 cent. Yeah, so people are discovering prices, it seems. So the stock is liquid and active, and aggression is also playing out as well. Yeah, exciting. Let's see PRLD. Okay, expanded yesterday and contracting today. Yeah, expanded yesterday and contracting today. And extrapolation is saying that it's going to continue to contract until the 12th of November. Then maybe the uptrend may resume. The stock is all of its moving averages are trending. The stock is trading at a huge, at a premium to all of them. Okay, let's see. Premium Prelude Therapeutics to pause development of cancer drug. It's pausing the development of one of its cancer drug programs, and will utilize and will prioritize other programs. The company said the company will pause clinical development of SMARAC2 selective degrader programs, saying it does not have the resources to explore the biological complex mechanism fully in the time frame needed. It said it will prioritize development of its mutant selective JAK2V617FJH2 inhibitor and KAT6A selective degrader programs. The company said today it made an exclusive option agreement with Insight to advance its mutant selective JK2 V617F JH2 inhibitor program for patients with myelopro myeloproliferative neoplasms. Okay, through the agreement, Prelude would receive an upfront payment of $35 million into the $5 million equity investment and $100 million if the option is exercised. Okay, that's what we're looking at right now. On the line trend, let's have a look at the daily chart. The line trend is bullish, yeah, quite bullish, yeah, quite bullish. But the extrapolation is not right. It's not so far. It might not be right. Yeah, yesterday it gained 150%. Yeah. Okay, so have a look and see what you make of these stocks. And thank you very much for watching this video.